Today we have to start with 6.3. Yesterday we have learned about exterior angle property, and now in this chapter in this exercise we are going to learn about angle sum property. What is angle sum property? The total measure of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay, the total measure of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So in exercise 6.3, question number 1, it is given that find the value of unknown x in the following diagram. We have to find out the value of x here. See, 50 degree plus 60 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property. We are adding all these angles, all the three angles, that will be equal to 180 degree. So 50 degree plus 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then we are going to add 50 and 60, that will be 110. And then we are going to subtract it from 180 degrees. So we are getting 70 degrees here. 180 minus 110. So in this way, you are going to find out the value of x here. Okay, so first of all, write down the property that the sum of all interior angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Then angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. That is x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. And then we are going to transpose this number 110. So we are getting 70 degrees as the answer. Got it?
We will use the property that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Then we will add 30 and 90 degrees at there is a symbol of 90 degrees
Yes.
or a right angle.
Yes. This is a symbol of right.
Then we will
Yes.
subtract 120 degrees from 180 degrees and the answer will be 60 degrees.
Very good. Swastik, absolutely right. So we are going to add 90 plus 30. We are getting 120, and then we are transposing this 120 on the right hand side. So we are getting 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees as the answer. Got it now? Yes, Ananya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will add them. So it will be 110 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then we will add it. So our answer will be 140 degree.
Right.
Is equal to 180 degree. Then we will
140 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. And then we will divide it.
Divide it. Beta, we are going to transpose the number.
Yes, ma'am. So now it will be subtracted with the. So now answer will be 40 degree.
Right. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
In question number 2, it is given that we have to find the values of unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. So first of all, we are using the exterior angle property in this question. See, using the exterior angle property which we have learned yesterday, that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That this we have learned yesterday in 6.2 exercise. So we are going to apply it over here. So here x plus 50 is our interior opposite angles, will be equal to 120 degrees. So x plus 50 is equal to 120 degrees, and then we are transposing 50. So we are getting value of x is 70 degrees. Okay, here we are getting the value of x is 70 degrees. Clear? Then we are using angle sum property which we have learned in this exercise, that sum of all interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So 50 degree x plus y is equal to 180 degree. And x we have already taken out the value 70 degree using exterior angle property. We have used it. Okay. So 50 plus 70 plus y is equal to 180 degree. It will be. Then we are going to add this number 120 degree, and then we are transposing from 180 minus 120. We are getting the value of y, that is 60 degrees here. Clear? Is this question clear? Second question. First of all, we are using exterior angle property here. Then we are using angle sum property here. Okay?
Ma'am, may I begin?
Yes. What is, explain the B part, Avika?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, in this, we will find the value of y. We will find the value of y first. Ma'am, according to the rule of vertically opposite angle, so 80 degree is vertically opposite to y. So y will be equals to 80 degree.
Okay, right. So the value of y will be value of y will be 80 degree using vertically opposite angle. Right.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, fine.
And ma'am, now we have to find the value of x. So ma'am, as we know that the 80 degree plus 50 degree and x, so that is equals to 180 degree. So 80
Angle sum
degree plus-
property.
Ma'am, yes, angle sum property, which is 180 degree. And ma'am, now 80 degree plus 50 degree will be 130 degree. And ma'am, now we are going to just transpose that number 30. We, ma'am, 180 degree divided 180 degree minus by 130 degree, that will be 50 degree. So x is equals to 50 degree.
X is equal to 50 degree.
50
Right.
degree.
Right.
Ma'am,
Absolutely
we
right.
will minus. We
Yes.
will minus 180 degree by 130 degree
Yes.
using the angle sum property, that is 180 degree.
Yes. So we are using vertically opposite angle and angle sum property in this question. First of all, we have taken out the value of y using vertically opposite angle, and then we have used angle sum property, and we have added x plus y plus 50 is equal to 180 degree, and we have got the answer as y 80 degrees. Oh, sorry, x is 50 degrees. Clear? Yes, Rajal, unmuted.
Ma'am, I want to give answer of next question.
Okay. Let's start with the next question now. The C part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will follow the rule of ma'am, we will follow the rule of ma'am, these are opposite interior angles. So
Okay.
the sum of them will be equal to the exterior angle. And the
Yes.
exterior angle is equals to x. So
Okay.
50 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 110 degree is equals to x.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, and why will be, ma'am, we will follow the angle sum property. So ma'am, it will be 60 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 110 degree. So 180 degree minus 110 degree is equals to ma'am 70 degree. So ma'am, y will be equal to 70 degree.
Very good. Absolutely right. You can use angle sum property first 50, to take out the value of y, and you can use linear pair also. Srajal has used exterior angle property. We can use linear pair also. X plus y is equal to 180 degree, and then we can subtract from 180 degree the value of y. Okay, that is 70 degree. Again, we are getting 110 degree. Whichever property you are using, please mention those properties. Whether you are using exterior angle property, angle sum property, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, whatever properties you are using, please mention those properties. Okay, and then you can solve it out. I have solved using linear pair property. Okay, so I have taken out using the angle sum property. I have solved it. 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then I have transposed 110 degrees. So I am getting the value of y of 70 degrees. Then I have used linear pair also. So x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. The value of y we have already taken out 70 degrees. So I've subtracted 180 from 70. Again, I'm getting 110. Whether you are using exterior angle property, whether you are using linear pair property, the answer will be the same. Okay. So whichever property you're using, please mention those properties over there. Because some students will be doing with another property, some are doing with another properties. So kindly mention those properties. Answer is correct in both ways. Clear? Yes, Dhavanya, you can give the next answer unmuted.
Yes,
I'm starting with the fifth part now. Explain fifth part, beta. Dhavanya.
Okay, ma'am, here we will use the vertically opposite angle property.
Yes, vertically opposite angles. Very good.
Ma'am, angle y is equal to 90 degrees.
Right.
Now, ma'am, we will use the some property, ma'am.
Yes.
So 90 degree plus x is equal to 180.
Yes.
So 90 degree plus 2x is equal to 180 degree.
Right.
Ma'am, then we will, ma'am, wait, 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree.
Right.
Ma'am, then we will, x is equal to 90 degree divided by 2.
Yes.
And ma'am, the answer will be, ma'am, please wait, 45 degree.
Very good.
X is
So
equal
in
to
this way,
45
you are going to solve this question. Very good, Dhavanya.